Hello and welcome to this new video on how to log in to Airbnb with email. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Airbnb. Now press enter in the keyboard and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Airbnb, and Airbnb interface will be shown to you. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There is an person icon, so you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear, and there is login or sign up option, so you just have to click on the login option and login or sign up portal will appear. So in order to log in with email, you just have to scroll down a little bit and you can choose continue with Google or continue with email. So I'll just choose continue with Google for this, and another page will appear right in front of the screen. Now you just have to choose an email to log in into Airbnb. So I'll just choose that mail and I'll just click on the continue button that is on the right hand side. As you can see, I have logged in successfully with my email in Airbnb. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.